Well, here we have Papa Jojo. She's a Regal 4260 Express Cruiser, and as you can see, she just sparkles. And we'll take you around to the front, or the bow, sorry about that. Get my nautical term straight. And you can see the finish is just absolutely amazing. Of course, she's been, as far as we know, a freshwater boat, maintained undercover. Get around this post here. And there's your nice foredeck with actually the anchor locker just to starboard of the anchor and the vertical windlass. You got storage lockers on either side. And then if we look up on the foredeck, that is an adjustable backrest for the lounge. You also have 3 good-sized hatches to let lots of sunlight and fresh air inside the boat. Obviously we have a spotlight, and then we have the other side of our yacht. And get around this post and we'll walk down this side. And just looking at her, she appears to be in just immaculate condition and hopefully would just pass through survey easily. That, of course, is a built-in swim ladder. And then you have this 3-level huge swim platform that is great for outdoor activities and tying up your dinghy, your jet skis, and maybe even some diving. And then, of course, easy access through either side in your enclosure. And anyhow, let's step aboard.